What's up, YouTube? This is another day of backtesting every single day. Uh, kind of have some low energy, but I would like to push this through because I know I can push some more. Today is Friday, 12th of December 2025, and it is day 225. So, without delay, let's get into the charts. Right, it's the inversion model from 2021 that I'm gonna be trading. So let's see what it has. So far it has been cooking me like loss after loss, similar to what's happening to me in the real market. So it's something that I've like gotten used to, let's say. Alrighty, let's go. So I was waiting for Twitch and Kick to get set up okay as I wanted, so let's get into it. Okay, let's remove this here. Now we have an SMT here, checking the weekly. Price hasn't tapped into the weekly gap yet. I would have loved it too, but if it has run some buy side, then I would like to short it to this low here. But as of now, it doesn't look like it has run any buy side, except that there is an SMT which could tell us that we're bearish. We have an inversion here, so I think I'm gonna short it to this low here or this one here. Okay, let's wait for some run on the highs. If it inverts here, I'm gonna short it. Alright, here's the inversion. You can see this. So I think this will be the lowest hanging fruit, and these lows from yesterday, I think they will be the best target for the day. I mean, for this small scalp. This will be around 20, so that's around 12 micros. Now let's see if it goes. Banger trade there. Banger win. Banger win. Let's see. 1 hour. Pressing around this low on ES. Let's go to the next day. How's the weekly? You can see we're still dropping. Yesterday was a massive sell day, and let's see. Now there's a 4-hour gap here, so I think it's gonna drop. Have this here, relatively equal lows. Still looking for a reason to short it towards this low. but if it doesn't, then I'm gonna go to the high. Run on this high there. Inversion here. 2-minute inversion, I believe. So I think this will be another short. We have 8:30. Actually, it's a 9 a.m. low. Around 30. Let's see, can we get a 2 point? Oh, this is too big though, honestly. But let's see. 500 over 60. That's 8. Yeah. So 8 micros. Let's short this thing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're back. Crazy break even on that one. Seriously, why didn't it run this low here? It's a daily low, but I think it was a farther target. Should have closed here. This would have been how big? 1.7 hour. So that's a correction. The thing is, this thing has a low risk to reward, but if I had lowered this SL, I would have got kicked in the nuts. So anyways, it still makes sense why it didn't go all the way there. After the retracement, and then it drops. Bro. Got a couple 4-hour inversions here, and we've got buy side here. No, I mean sell side run. And check the daily. It's okay. Weekly. It's a new week open. I think we'll have like some short-term shorts. Like maybe I push into premium, then maybe the shorts still coming, because I think we're still bearish some way. Well, now there's a gap here holding, so obviously this is a low hanging fruit. That's how many points away? 23 points away. Highs from the previous days, and your premium 1 hour gap here. Let's see if I can find a reason to long this thing. Oh, come on. Okay, the lows get a run. Right, we got a 5-minute gap here. So 5-minute gap here. It's holding. I think you can get a small scalp here on this thing, and then long it towards this high, and stop somewhere around there. 1.1 R. So let's see. That's 500 over 30. That's 16, I believe. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. banger there. Then it continues higher and higher and higher and higher. Oh, this is guilt tripping me. Okay, continues higher and bang, hits the final take profit at this high for a 5R. Well, shit happens. Okay, so I think we're gonna continue bullish after this conversion here. $4 gap here, so another low hanging fruit. Right, if we burst this thing here, I'm gonna long have an SMT here, run on the lows. If maybe this gap here gets burst, I think I'm gonna long it. It's also a 2-minute inversion, so we can long it toward this high, something like this. I want something just like this. 20 points, and that's 13, like 12 or 13 micros. Let's just wait. Get stopped out, it's okay. If we win, it's okay as well. Apparently we get kicked in the nuts as usual. Some of the things that I've gotten used to. And we've had a 1-hour retracement into this gap. I'd like to see the next candle open first. Actually, we should have longed it somewhere here at the second inversion. As you can see, as at the open here, the candle open, you can see that we've inversed here. In the world is this? This here. You can see that there's a good inversion here. And target the high here. And this will be 500 over 36, so that's 14. Well, this is a melt. Tapped into a gap. The daily has been bullish recently. We have an inversion here. The weekly is also looking great, so not pissing in any reasons to go short. 2 hours also in a gap, 1 hour in a gap. Obviously the 30 minutes, same thing, and the 15. So let's see, do you have like a data high here? Did you have any news? Let's check. There were some news at 8:30, so this is a data high right here. Okay, looks like we're having a meltdown instead. Okay, lower here gets run. This one here, this is really far from it, but Let's check the 1 hour. It's still far. Okay, 15-minute high. I think this one will be okay. Along with that, after this inversion and the 2-minute, actually the 2-minute was better. Let's just sit and wait. That's a shitty stop, but yeah. Apparently yesterday was a very bearish day. It turns out I was wrong, and now price is heading lower. So sudden change of events. Totally fine. Got a set up BPR here. So I'll be looking for some daily lows, obviously, like this one here. But I might use some standard deviations because price is way too high. There are like no standard deviation levels. I mean, there are no liquidity levels, so let's see if we can use some standard deviation levels here. So just this second one here, and the third one, and the fourth one right here. So let's check it out. Gonna wait for the open. Okay, run on this high here. Okay, there's a run here. Well, that's a shoot. Okay, got an inversion here. 15-minute push to the premium, 30-minute as well, 1 hour as well. So now I have a clear draw, 9:30 open. Oh, this is a good move. It looks like it's going to stop me out. Target has been met on ES around this time. Yeah, break even. Let's close the break even. I'm gonna look for reason to short again after this sweep. Previous day low. is an inversion here. 15-minute inversions that I'm gonna disregard. I would like to see just a simple run on the high and then a continuation lower on the day. Okay, you've got a 2-minute inversion here, and checking the 30-minute. I think we're going okay. Let's wait. Okay, now there's an SMT at this height. I think we have a good reason to short it to the next 15-minute gap, which is here, and it's 35 points away. I think it will be like 1-to-1, small trade. Okay, good banger there. I've got another sweep here. Now price is running higher. Go for an inversion here, and price looks like it's bullish. Obviously you can see high, low, high, low, and obviously breakout structure will be here. Let's refine it on the 1 hour. This target here is good, and this one here is good. So let's see how this day goes. Seriously, why would it move like this? If the price runs this low, then it starts to tank lower. Okay, then it runs this low here. Okay, then run on this 930 low. When are we gonna reverse? Let's check the 1 hour. Price isn't still running this high here, this low, sorry. Got an SMT here, and price has a big huge 15-minute. But what you can see is that we have a good fair value gap that's holding a small inversion right here. Actually, it hasn't inversed right quite yet. So let's see, gonna get the next candle, right? And then let's see if we can get some good longs for 8 micros and maybe target this high here or this one, or some premium gap. So skeptical about this trade. I feel so skeptical about it, even though some confluences are already meeting up for me. I feel so skeptical about it. Okay, got stopped out after the second minute, so it's okay. Anyways, you see here price is consolidating obviously in this gap, and it's dropping previous day low here. 4 hours obviously melting. 1 hour having some sort of retracement. 30 minute, there's a gap, so if the gap gets respected, low hanging fruits there. 15 minute, there's a gap as well. Let's just sit and wait. Oh, come on, seriously. You're having some consolidation. Okay, now let's see if you can long it or something like this. Okay, very good W here. Very insane W. Price is still in this gap. Just around on this low here. And the sweep again. Some low hanging fruits. One hour gap. Okay, there's an SMT there. Well, was there like an opportunity on the 32nd here? Let me check it out. Yep, there was on this candle here, 931. Okay, so back into the 30-minute gap here. For the 15, sorry. And small inversion here with an SMT. And well, prices from this low. Hasn't run it yet, but I think we can unlock it to this high here. Or this one for 28 points. What's up, more trading? Today you finalized with your model. Well, that's great. That's great. So, which model are you doing? Which model are you doing? Got a small 4-hour gap here and some BSL. Oh, actually, it's 2nd April. 4th April. Okay, let's go to the next day. Yep, something I expected. Now going back to the daily, obviously don't have any targets. Just now in this gap here. Okay, lowest hanging fruit is 10 points away. I'm looking for a reason to long it. Okay, run on the low there. Okay, why is this day so like choppy and returning to my prop account on Monday to recover from huge drawdown? Yeah, well, that's crazy. I'm also in some like kind of drawdown. This week I was break even. I took 2 wins, 2 losses, and kind of balanced out for break even week. But you know, I was still pushing. Okay, retrace to the 15-minute inversion. Okay, well, that's a crazy losing streak. Would have been a great win, but price decided to consolidate and first take us out. I'm still looking for some longs towards this high now. This day was a very good day to long, but I was stopped out. Lowest hanging fruit. Got an inversion in the 1 minute and the retrace. Okay, I believe the 2 minutes is about to close as well. This is 500 over 36 again. Full margin, bro. Don't full margin your account. Don't full margin your account. Live to trade for another day. By the way, what account are you doing? Like with what prop? Ah, man. Banger, 1.7R. But it's some kind of turtle soup that I can modify to fit me. Well, that's great, that's great. So what assets? As in, is it NQ? Is it gold? Lowest hanging fruit is 100 points away here. Like run on the low, then continuation higher. That's what I think that's gonna happen. Okay, run on the lows. Right, got a good inversion. 9:30 open is an obvious target. 1 hour. Let's check the 15. Okay, this is okay. Lowest hanging fruit again. Lowest parameter do 48 or 10. Dun, da, 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 da. Hey. Well, apparently I closed so early. Wait. I was looking to target this high here. Seriously, come on. Okay. Now let's wait. Banger 2.7 hour trade there. You will never be able to trade all assets, man. That's not possible. How will you trade all assets? Like all USD assets? You mean you'll be doing like gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, I don't know, Nasdaq. Yes, it will be really hard to track all of them. But if you like sharpen your edge on okay, don't go beyond at least 5 or 4. I think the best arsenal is like 4-3 around there. Like for me, I do NQES, then Euro USD and gold. Like that's the only. Even though I backtest NQ and ES, but I also trade EU and GU. Which okay, EU and GU are the same, but NQ, EU, and gold, just 3 assets. So I think like having a small arsenal of things that you can get like the best at, then grow it later, slowly by slowly, is like better. What's your opinion on that? Okay. Mostly forex, crypto, and this says metals. Any. Well, obviously you'll notice that having like a few assets will help you capitalize. Having more assets, like you're all over the place, man. You can track all of them at the same time. But I mean, you can do Bitcoin and some major forex pairs. I think that would be okay, like around 5 or 6. I think that would be okay. think this is the all-time high. Check the weekly. Yep, it's an all-time high. I'm gonna be targeting daily highs, obviously. This high here run and this one. So we also have got these highs here. Let me see. We're gonna have a horizontal long. It have a 4-hour gap here, and the low. Obviously, this is the low that will get run. Cool to probably get run, and we have also this low hanging fruit. There's a run on this low here. Okay, then price fails to run this low here, giving this inversion. But we've got a small sweep of the 930 low. While checking the 15, we could target this high here. It's too close. We could also target this high. Well, we also have a huge SMT, so I think this is the time to long it towards this high. 50 points with a 25 point stop. So will be 10 micros again. We are cooked, child. We are cooked. Well, if you are more trading, if you're like swinging, maybe that's okay having like multiple assets. But if you're scalping, I think you can focus on one because there's always movement every single day. Oh, that's great. If like there can be, okay, daily high here has been run. I think it's going to go lower, like for some small retracement. Daily low here. So I was saying, with trading, it's not about like the frequency of trades or what. It's about the tracking. Like, are you able to do a weekly, a daily recap of each of those assets, saying what you saw, documenting it on all of those assets? Are you able to do daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and like journal it without leaving any detail behind, like go in depth with it. Are you able to do that? Because if not, then if you'll be leaving some things out. Actually, this is the 2-minute version here. 2 minute and a 3 minute. Let's see. I think the 15 minute could give us some shorts towards this 9:30. This is the 9:30 low. 9:30 low is here. Already run. Let's go. Let's see what happens. We were cooked. Okay, the 4 is showing some bullish signs. I'm gonna long this thing. You can see how good this run was with an opportunity here. And this is SMT, 15-minute gap. Let's see. So was this like a 5-minute gap here? Yep, it was. No inversion in this retracement, so no entry. Which day is this? It's a Monday. One hour. I have some equal lows here, that's the problem. Yeah, you can do it, man. You can do it for sure. Because this is a real business. You don't have to bring like any unnecessary risks around. Yeah, it's actually a continuation for sure. Sometimes it's a continuation. About to get stopped out, bang, right there. Okay, high here, all-time high. It's 20 points away, and a crazy run here on this Tuesday. We saw on Tuesday. I think it was some like news, CPI, PPR, something like that. I have it at hello here. SMT there. Small, like close to 2R. Seriously, what kind of consolidation is this? Small gap here. Closest hanging fruit. Okay, Asia lows run. Now we've got an inversion. Where's the 930 high? Alright. Okay. What's with this Wi-Fi now? Okay. Run on the low. Let's see this high, this high. I'm gonna take some longs. Come on. What's wrong with me, man? Every single time. Loss, 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 loss after loss. Right, I think I'm done for today's backtesting. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace. And shout out to Mo Trading, man. Thanks for showing up. Have a great weekend.